Happy New Year! Happy 2026. Thank you for joining us again, for clicking on our channel. Today we have a short little vlog. My sister and my mom were up to a couple of activities last weekend. They went to East London and they came back, did some work on the farm. So please do enjoy this video. Here we go.
We're having some sticky breakfast early in the morning with mom. It's mommy and me at the airport. My fro is froing and the ponder is pondering. With this tricky breakfast and my tricky breakfast. Toodles.
Yes, so that's them showing off their vlogging skills. Maybe I should have been around. No shade. Yes, so that's East London. They were up to some traveling. And here's my mom and my aunt back at the farm, giving our new puppy some food, tending to our animals, tending to the land. So do enjoy, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.